What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I want to shoot this video today about Power Mining Pool. It's still popping. It's still moving. Letting you know what playgrounds that I'm playing in. Not by any means, I am a financial advisor. So what I'm doing, I'm not giving anyone any financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not telling you to take out loans to join any programs with me. I'm not telling you to do any of that. I'm just showing you guys exactly what I'm just kind of doing for your viewing entertainment um, on that end. So with the power mining pool, guys, it's still doing its thing. It's still moving. People are still kind of doing their thing with it as well. Just kind of scroll down a little bit so you can kind of see the action. Some action there. You know, enough bought in shares, did withdrawals. You guys seen me do other videos, but pretty much here, guys, what this company does here is that when you purchase a share, what they call them is actually shares with the company there. And whenever you purchase a share, it's for 50 euros, and each share is designed to earn you exactly 70 euros back. And roughly, it's about it can take up to roughly around 6 months to actually get that full payout back on that end. So a lot of people that have Bitcoin laying around or so like that, instead of them just kind of sitting on it and holding it, they'll pretty much take some to Power Mining Pool, buy a couple shares, and pretty much the company mines 7 different altcoins, and they pay you back, and they pretty much pay you every 3 hours, pretty much from the shares that they mine. So pretty much as you can see, the more shares that you have, the more you're going to get paid out. A couple of my previous videos, I was just doing a lot of recruiting in this company, and I only purchased 1 share. So now I started purchasing more shares. Now that I've actually been going, so now I'm about to reach $50 again. I'm going to purchase another share. See, I've made so much money in recruiting now, where I've already withdrawn that money to where now I'm actually just building up now. So once I reach the funds that I've made in the recruiting side, that's when I'm probably going to take some more funds out and then build up again. So just I kind of have a strategy on my end, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. That this is still moving and still grooving here. Every time I press a button on the side over here, my computer's running funky again, well, I guess with this server. And it's taking forever whenever I click something here. So I'm going to actually leave some information where you can check the actual website out and you can review it yourself. Just kind of read over a lot of the information regarding Mike and Andy. They are the owners of the company. And pretty much, guys, like I said, they're paid out every 3 hours. You don't have to go out and recruit anyone. It's just I'm a recruiter. I know how to recruit people. So I'll go out and I can tell people about this business, or I can actually talk about this business, and a lot of people might take a look at it and check it out and decide they want to do exactly what they want to do. Like I said, in these type of things, if you look at them, never, 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 you know, put money in something that that you can't afford to lose. Never do that. So don't take from nowhere to do anything. Don't get no loans. Don't do anything like that. I would never tell you. If you're gonna do something like that, it's not saying go sell something you don't want before I tell you go get a loan or take out life savings things. Never do that. Never, ever, 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 ever. Because you wouldn't believe how many idiots go and do this. And I'm gonna say they idiots because you don't think about it. Why would you go put up a house? Why would you go do loans? Why would you go do that type of stuff to do these programs? As I mentioned, guys, gotta be mindful. These programs could go down at any time. Always remember that. So know the risk that you're taking when you're jumping in these type of programs. Yes, you can make some things happen. You can. You can make a lot of good things happen in your life with this. But be careful as well. So always have a strategy. If you invest 100, and I'm not gonna say invest. If you put in $100, and then you make that money back in commissions, withdraw that, and then from there start, buy more packages. Just buy more and buy more. That's all you have to do is just buy more. Okay, so this company is a cool company, man. I'm not gonna lie to you here. I got involved back in November here, and because I've been taking out withdrawals, I've actually bought more packages. Guys, I can't complain. I can't complain at all. So I wanted to shoot this video just to say, yes, I'm still involved. I'm not going to drag this video out 9, 10 minutes or so, but just to show you guys something I've shot videos on multiple times. They go down for their maintenance. They don't take the system down, but they'll say, hey, we're going to be doing maintenance around this time. And if you do have any experiences logging in, then that is why. But then they'll say, hey, the mining rigs are working, everything's running fine. They always keep us updated with the company. That's why I love, Power Mining Pool, man. It's what's up, man. PMP is what's up. And you know what I use? Put it in my pockets, baby. That's why I like PMP too. So at the end of the day, man, this your boy Jay. If you want to check it out, like I said, I'm not gonna click around because when I click something, it takes forever for me to get there. So if I click this, it might take a second here. Oh, that one went right on in. But pretty much here you can see the crypto market. It's down right now. Only thing that's pretty is popping is BTC. Bitcoin Cash is down. Ripple is down. You can kind of see. Monero's up. Litecoin's down. So, if I wanted to purchase another share, let me see if it's going to move for us. I'm going to see. Okay, we're moving pretty fast now. So, pretty much if I want to purchase a share, it's not saying I can purchase any right now. But the balance I have is $49. So, I would need like some change to give me another share, which I have that in a second, which I can purchase another share, buy another one, and that's going to start mining for me as well. So that's it. When you start, once you get a share in, and you need to just keep buying them, or you want to keep buying them. That's all you need to do from there. That's it. Just keep buying them from there. All right. So what else here? I've been all over this. I've showed this stuff so much to you guys, man. Schedule maintenance. So it just kind of shows you guys. I'm just kind of rolling through it. Let me see. So it should go Power Mining Pool. So pretty much every 3 hours our system automatically pays you. We're gonna go back. Our system automatically deposits your earnings into your e-wallet. They mine up to 7 different cryptocurrencies 24/7. As you can see, these are the currencies on this side. Okay. You get paid out in 8 ways, and they say the 8th way is because it's Bitcoin that they pay you out. Okay. So it's very simple. You guys don't have to go in and recruit anyone. You don't have to recruit anyone. You can go right to this page and you can see exactly where it is here. So you get started for 50 euros. That's where you can start off with the mining pool package. Okay. I'm just scrolling down for you guys just so you can see. Okay. Read up on this stuff, man. Always do your research. Always check out your research, People ask questions and stuff like that. Do your research. Okay, before you join anything, do your research at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I just wanted to kind of still share, guys. I still doing my thing in Power Mining Pool. As I mentioned, I don't have to recruit, but I have recruited a lot of damn people. So now, when they buy shares, I get paid off of that, and and I'm able to invest more into more shares. And if you are a recruiter and you're just bringing people in and taking profit, I mean that's solely on you. It's up to you guys. And then, some people have a strategy where they are recruiters, and I'm gonna be honest, they don't actually join any of these programs. They'll join them, but they don't buy anything. They'll just make a lot of money off commissions, and then they'll put it into their wallets or so, and then they'll hold it. And then, as it rises, they're making money as it's rising. So it's Bitcoin that they literally earn. So guys, that's a good way that you can definitely if you are a recruiter, man, I'm gonna say this: if you are a recruiter and that's something that you're good at, now you still want to have some shares working for you. I'm sorry, that's just how I say do it. You see, I'm still pumping shares in, just because I still want to make that money is still working for me at the end of the day. So I'm still. Sometimes you can make more money, as I just showed you. Bitcoin can go down. So as Bitcoin's going down, why wouldn't you want to make money as it's going down? You don't want to lose money as when you want to make money, and that's where the power of buying more shares come in, because then you're going to make that money on those shares. And then as you're getting this, Bitcoin goes back up and you're getting paid out. You're win-win, baby. Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. All right, this your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.